Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you what ExcelDraw version 5 looks like whenever you first open it up, how to import your settings from a previous version of ExcelDraw, and how to activate or how to install ExcelDraw version 5 into Excel. So the first thing I want to show you is what ExcelDraw version 5 does when you first open it. So as you can see right here, I have my list of ExcelDraw versions, and we have version 5 right here. This is the latest version as of the making of this video, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to double click on it to open it. Now this will open Excel. This is not installing ExcelDraw into Excel. This is just opening it. It's going to ask you if you want to enable macros, and you hit yes because that is how the program runs. If you don't enable macros, the program will not do anything. Okay, so Excel comes up with this nice little window right here, and it says that there seems to be a previous version of ExcelDraw installed on the machine. This comes up if you are running ExcelDraw version 5 for the very first time. It searches to see if there's any settings that were from a previous ExcelDraw version that is saved in your settings for ExcelDraw, and it's asking you if you would like to import these settings into ExcelDraw version 5. Now, if you currently have a version of ExcelDraw installed on your computer, you're going to want to hit yes because this is going to go through the validation process to see if your current license that you have installed is valid for version 5. Some licenses are because they were purchased within a certain time frame. Now, if you do not have a valid license for ExcelDraw version 5, but there is a valid license for a previous version, say version 4, installed on the machine, you will be greeted with this window right here. And for obvious reasons, I have part of it blacked out, but it says because your purchase was within so many days, a product upgrade is available for you at a discounted price. And then it's going to explain how you can use this product code that we have right here to receive a certain percentage off of your purchase of a new license. This window will only appear one time. The discount code is available for you. It is a custom generated code just for your machine. So this license will only work once for you. Please make sure you write it down because as soon as you click this window OK, it's not going to appear again. Okay, so right now you can see that we do have ExcelDraw version 5 as a tab up at the top, but as I said, we did not actually install ExcelDraw version 5. We just ran it. So it's currently running right now, but it's not installed. If you would like to install it, you'll need to go up here to File, go down to Options, go to Add-ins, and then go down here where it says Manage ExcelDraw Add-ins, click Go. Now at this point you're going to see a list of add-ins that you have installed. If you have any previous versions of ExcelDraw installed, you'll want to deselect them. And then you're going to want to go to Browse and navigate to your current version of ExcelDraw that you have downloaded. When you have that selected, put it in here, make sure it's checked, and click OK. So what happens whenever you install ExcelDraw version 5 and it is activated in your add-ins, but whenever you open up Excel the next time, it does not show in the ribbon? This is something to do with Microsoft Excel's Trust Center, and it does not happen often, but sometimes we've had customers say it does happen. I'll show you how to fix this. You go over here to File, and then you go down to Options. You go to Trust Center right here. Then you go to Trust Center Settings. And then you want to go to Locations. And then you want to add a new location. Now, this will add in a new location that you say everything in that location is a trustworthy add-in. So actually what I would do is put it someplace where you would be downloading the ExcelDraw add-in. Click OK. And there you have it. Subfolders of this location are also trusted. Make sure you select that and hit OK. So now everything that is in your, if it is an Excel macro or an Excel add-in, is automatically trusted. And at that point, ExcelDraw version 5, if that's where you have saved it, is going to be validated. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with all of Great Tech videos and releases. Thank you all very much, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.